Welcome back for another video. It's MeiaSoQuick, and in today's video I'm excited. Okay, I've never done anything like this before, but I was inspired. Okay, so when I seen the Cardi B and Meg Thee Stallion WAP video, I was blown away. I was like, oh my god, I love the visuals. Like Colin Tilley, video director, he did his thing. Okay, there was just so much color, so much patterns, and I was like, I want to do something with this. Now, I don't even consider myself an artist, and I just started doing nails, but I've been like, on a creative hype where I'm like, I want to do something. And when she came out with the cover art, I said, oh, that's perfect. So stick along and see how I came up with these Cardi B and Meg Thee Stallion WAP nails. Okay, so as you can see in the video, I got these little tips from Makartt, and then I went ahead and buffed them out just so the polish can stick. And then I went in with this hot pink Beetles Gel Polish to apply a coat on there. So I'm going to apply a coat, and then I'm going to put it under the lamp to cure, and then I apply a second coat. Okay, now for the fun part. So I'm going to go ahead and get this wax paper, and I'm just going to put some drops of polish on here. That way I can keep working with it. And the first color I'm going to go in is black. I'm going to be starting on Meg's hair. I've got this dotting tool, and it's a bigger dotting tool, so that way I can just plop down the little parts of her curls. Trust me, I didn't know how I was going to start this off, but this wound up working well. So yeah, I'm just picking up the black, and I'm going to place that and try to create her hair shape. And then I'm going to cure this under the lamp with just this black polish. Next, I'm going in for a skin color, so I'm going to go ahead and use this brown. And I'm going to use a little fine little art brush that I have, and I'm going to try to sketch out her body shape. Also, you can see my nails on my hands. I have two different designs. I'll have both those videos up in the next couple of days, so make sure you guys look out for that too. Alright, so here I am close in, and I just keep going back and referring to the little video. So I literally just did all of this freehand and tried to get her body. Ooh, and doing the booty, man. I guess you just try to make an upside down heart and then kind of blow it up even bigger. And once her body's all sketched in to where I like it and I'm satisfied because I'm a perfectionist, I'm going to go ahead and pick up that dotting tool again, and I'm going to use it to fill in this outline with the brown gel polish. And once I'm done filling it in, I'm going to go ahead and put it under the lamp to cure. And then I'm going to go and start working on this yellow color. Okay, so Megan has on like yellow gloves, a yellow thong, and yellow boots. So I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the details on that now. So here you can see me, I'm just working on her gloves and trying to get the shape of her arm. And then you'll see later I go back in and I fill in the rest of the hair and the face, but just so I can get the actual, you know, details right. So it's the boots you can see in the picture, they kind of like are on their knees and then it's like underwater, so it's like a really like hazy kind of thing. So I'm gonna try to attempt to do that. That's what it looks like after it's all cured. And now I'm gonna go back in and fill in the rest of her hair and her face. About the little piece, the little bang piece hanging. And somehow I even managed to get her little eyelashes. Gotta admit, I actually really just enjoyed doing this. It was like so relaxing. Like I said, I'm not an artist. I don't really ever paint. I just started doing this while being in quarantine and having nothing else to do. And I was like, wow, I'm talented. Okay, once that's out, I'm gonna start working on this like hazy water reflection. So I'm just grabbing this like light little pink to kind of like get these highlights and mix it in where her boots are under the water. Okay, now that that's all good, I'm going to take this gold and I'm going to do this as the little ornament that's on their thong and also her earring. So I'm going to do that with this gold gel polish. Okay, as you can see, it's the little things, it's the little details. I don't even know if people can see these things with their human eye, but just know that I really went in and did all of the details. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take this white, and then I'm just gonna use it to write out the word WAP right there on the nail. Okay, and there we go. We got Megan. I let that go ahead and cure, and then y'all don't be mad at me, but I did not record when I did Cardi. I actually did her nail first before I was recording, before I even knew that I could do this. And after I did hers, I was like, oh my God, I'm good. And let me go ahead and record myself doing the rest of these. So I do not have Cardi's nail on video, but you can see I did all the details on her. Okay, like Cardi, I even got all of your tattoos. Every single last one of them, I was zoomed in to make it and be realistic. Okay, so for the next set of nails and things that are going to go with this set, I decided I liked this little background that they had, these little colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this like mint color and put that on the nail. And then I'm going to go ahead and try to stripe it by freehand. So here you can see I'm just going to go ahead and do the little zigzags. I mean, I probably could have used a stamping plate on this to make this look more, I don't know, put together. I gotta admit, I was probably tired by this time. And then I even did the zigzag wrong, but it still came out okay. But then again, I think it kind of looks like an Easter egg decoration. But, I mean, y'all tell me. Okay, and then for the pinky, I decided to go on with the yellow that was, you know, coming off of Megan. That was my inspiration for that. And when that was done, I did 2 coats on that, and then I did the rest of the nails in just a hot pink that I used. And here's what the nails look like. I went ahead and put some bling on the middle ring. I think they came out so cute. Yeah, let me know what y'all think, okay? Like I said, this is my first time even trying to do any of this. And yes, y'all can see all them details where I got in on Cardi's tattoos all over her body. So yeah, please leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think. If you like the video, click the thumbs up. Share the video if you know anybody who would be interested in this type of content, and go ahead and click the subscribe so you can see more videos that I'm gonna do in the future. And I just want to say, like, I mean, people look at this video with like a whole lot of controversy and the over sexualization. Look at women, but I mean, like, this isn't new for any of these ladies, and it really isn't new for, I mean, just women in general. But I'm gonna go ahead and support. And ladies, y'all looked good in the video. Colin Tilly, you did a great job directing it because it was beautiful. Okay, once again, thank you guys for watching.